Hello, welcome friends. Today we'll be talking about meditation and its benefits on the healthy body and healthy mind. Before practicing meditation, we must know about the benefits of meditation for healthy body and healthy mind. To to understand the effects of meditation on our body and mind, we must have some basic understanding about the working of our body and mind. We start with the working of the lungs and heart. Let me share the screen. We'll go to the next slide. Basically, we'll be first to talking about the our breathing and lungs and about the working of the heart. So it is a working of heart and lungs both. So if you look at it, this is the function of lungs is to supply oxygen to the body. So as we are inhaling and exhaling, we are getting the fresh air from the atmosphere, and that air is having oxygen that is given to the our blood in the lungs. So once this is the lungs. So it is in this figure, it is shown here in this way. This is the lungs. If you look at it, this is a blood circulation system. So right side is the red color, that is oxygenated blood, and left side is the deoxygenated blood, that is carbon dioxide rich blood. Once the deoxygenated blood or carbon dioxide rich blood reaches the lungs, it is get oxygenated from the air that we are breathing, and then this oxygenated red color blood will go to the heart and then get pumped out to the all over the body. This is the capillaries that is existing all over the body, and then it goes to the again come back to the heart and then pump back to the lungs, and this process is repeated. So this is the heart. It is the inner mechanism, and this shows that this all the bloods are going all over the body. If you see the red color, the channels are oxygen red oxygenated bloods, and this is the blue color is the veins, that is deoxygenated or carbon dioxide rich blood. So this is happening every second in our body. So the importance of lungs and heart is that we must maintain the oxygen supply to every cell of our 50 trillion cell of our body every second, and that must be maintained all the 24 hours every day, all over the year, and for the every year for the whole lifetime. So without a single failure. That is the importance. That is the importance of the breathing and the working of the heart. So we'll go to the next slide. So if you, for understanding, I have compared this working of the body and country together. If you look at the body, as I have shown, this is a blood circulation system all over the body, and then and it supplies the all the oxygen and food to the all over the body. Whereas if you look at the country, it is similar network. The road networks are there that supply all the foods and other item to the all over the country and all the citizens. So this is the all the features here I have brought here. So if you look at the population of the country of like India, it is 140 crore or 1.4 trillion, whereas body population is 50 trillion cells. It is a huge country that in that way. This model of governance is that we have a central government in country and local government in, and body also. Central government is the brain, and central command center is the brain, and local is the spine, organ, tissue, a different level. So then the transport networks are there for goods delivery. That is same for country also. The road are network to send fuel, food, fuel, medicine, etc. to every world. And then blood circulation network is there to send food, oxygen, healing material to all the cells. And then there is a communication network in the country on the body. These communication networks coordinate all the activities. That is very important. So it happens with mobile phones, internet, satellite communications in country. And whereas in the body there is two systems. One is the nervous system and blood circulation system. Blood circulation, so it acts as a material supply and or as well as communication system. We'll come into more details afterwards. Specialized individual for specialized functions. So we have farmers, doctors, engineers, advocates, soldiers, all the specialized people are there. Similar thing in body also. We have special cell in the lungs, heart, liver, kidney, intestine, blood, nerve. So they all do special functions. And if you see the mode of operation, we have in a country we have a development, growth, and maintenance function. That is in the peace time. When development is going on, growth is going on, maintenance is happening. And then another is when there is an attack from the foreign enemy or some emergency, then there is a defense and protection because important, and development go takes a back seat, and all the our importance goes to defense and protection. And then in the body, we have similarly, normally we have the development, growth, maintenance, development is happening in the body. Body, all the cells are getting nutrients and having growth and repair of the cells and maintenance, immune function. All these things are happening. And when there is an emergency or an attack by the enemy, then what will happen? The body will go into defense mode, and it will go to the just a minute, it will go to the in defense and protection mode. So that is fight and flight mode. That is also called flight and flight mode, where body go into the protection mode, and development growth function is takes a backseat or becomes secondary, get compromised. We will go more detail of this growth and more protection mode of operation in the next slide. So first we will look at Sridhar, how the country and the body compare if you look at the growth mode operation. So in the country, there is a manufacturing of in factories in a growth mode, fish time mode, development mode. Manufacturing in the factories are going on. Construction of new home, bridge, hospitals is taking place. Sale of grocery and other goods in the market. Schooling of kids. So community in a state of health and growth in coordinated activities. And if you look at the body in the when you're in normal, healthy condition, peaceful condition, millions of operation in every second. It is respiration that is supplying the oxygen to all the cells, and digestion of the food in the body, the nutrition of all the cells. Food should reach all the cells, and that will give nutrition to the all over the body. Then inside the cell, we'll see that food reaches there, or oxygen reaches there, and that produces the energy, and that will run all the operation in the cell. Then kidney is functioning, and intestine is functioning, growth and other maintenance of the body is happening. Body is making new cells and repairing the cells. Then immune system fighting with the germs and disease. All the times, all the germs and diseases are coming, getting inside our body. So that has to, they have to fight with that. That is continuously going on. The body is in a state of health and growth in coordinated activities. Then if you see, look at the defense protection mode of operation, defense or protection mode of operation, for a country, let us see a scenario that country in a threatening situation, possible biological attack, and lockdown is announced, country is in protection mode. That is we are given one example of particular defense protection scenario. So this lockdown is announced. So we are taking the case one when there is a short-term stress. So short-term situation, there the lockdown is within 1 week, and country is back to normal healthy growth mode after 1 week. And there is a case two when this long-term this situation continues for a long term, to become a long-term stress. Then this lockdown is continued for months. Community in protective posture indefinite. Protective posture means not going in the normal productive mode. So we are getting compromised production, growth, and maintenance work in the country. And as there is no production, growth, maintenance work, deterioration of the economical health of the country will be going to happen. So country health will be deteriorated. So if you look at the body, similar situation can happen. If there is certain situation, it is called flight and fight mode is activated. This protection mode is called fight and flight mode. This is called fight and fight mode because either we have to fight with the enemy, or we have to flight from the to run away from the enemy. So that is called fight and flight mode. So this is one case we are taking as a attack of a wild animal. In this, in case of attack of a wild body goes to fight and flight mode. So there will be release of stress hormone in the body, and sudden this stress hormone is released to ensure that there is a sudden burst of energy in the muscle and limbs for powerful muscular action. Because either we have to fight or flight. So both the cases we need a very strong muscle power. So it is this stress hormone ensure that. Then let us say the case that is threatened situation passed off in a short time. There is an attack from a dog, and that wrong dog is we have chased away the dog. So everything is back to normal and healthy in growth mode, and it goes back to the healthy and growth mode, back to the this growth mode. So this is called healthy stress response. So this is short-term stress we are talking. Then if you could talk about long-term stress for a body, then it is the same fight and flight mode, but this is a case of a chronic disease or chronic stress, some problem that we are not able to solve, and it is continuously we are under stress. Then this fight and flight mode will be continued indefinitely, continuously, and the body is in protective posture indefinitely. So this all the stress hormones is getting released, and wasteful energy and this with this sudden burst of energy in the muscle that is happening continuously. So there is a wasteful expenditure of body energy, and because the energy is being expended, being wasted, so we don't have energy for growth, maintenance, and immunity function. So eventual deterioration of health. So this in case of chronic stress, the long-term stress over, this is called stress overdrive or chronic residual stress condition. So this is the where the our body get affected. So we'll try to. I will go in more detail in the further slides, further lectures. So in this lecture, we have learn about the basic mechanism of our body. That is first thing we just talked about lungs and heart, how they help us to help the body to survive or keep it healthy. Then we have compared the working of the body of country and the growth and protection mode of operation of the body. So we'll go in the mode growth and protection about this mode of operation in future and further lectures. Thank you for listening. Thank you.